Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wendy Julia. I'm from English Education Study Program PBJ class, which student number is 2120205064. In this video, I will retell you about earthquake in Cianjur. The 2022 West Java earthquake is a 5.6 megawatt earthquake with a depth of 10 km that occurred in Cianjur, Regency, West Java, Indonesia on November 21, 2022. This earthquake was felt in Bandung, Jakarta, Tangerang, Rangkas Bitung, and Lampung. Despite the moderate size of the quake, its shallow that caused strong shaking, BNPB said the extent of damage to houses and buildings was still being assessed. At least 1,362 houses were damaged and 343 of them were seriously damaged. A shopping center collapsed, 2 government office buildings, 3 schools, a hospital, religious facilities, and an Islamic boarding school were damaged. In Bogor Regency, 4 houses were affected. The BNPB recorded 321 people died. Most of the deaths were caused by buildings collapses. Dozens of students were injured by debris that fell on their school. Many victims are still buried under the rubble of buildings. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.